Okay, so here's what's going on. This is the Tenoning jig, and this is the cool feature that is going to be important to me. Is I cut this on my miter saw and I put the leg splay. I'm making some benches, so I have this piece of wood angled, as you can see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a tenon that straightens it out so it plugs directly into my mortise. So the mortises are straight in, and then I'm going to I just set this down. I didn't even measure it, so I just made sure this was level with the table. And so my saw blade is straight up and down. So I'm going to cut this piece off first, then I'm going to shift over and I'm going to cut this off. And I'm hoping it's just going to be a huge time saver. And then I'll even maybe trim off a little bit off each side to speed things up. So here goes nothing. Flip it around, trim the other side. Like that. Okay, so I've added my whiteboard again, and I'm going to see, because I wasn't getting close enough with the blade near the edge of the steel here, the actual jig. So I'm going to put a 3/4 inch trim board here, just a scrap. I'm going to run it through and see how I like that cut. Okay, so I've lined up my workpiece right here with the saw. If I need to do super fine adjustments, I can turn this knob to move the stage in and out. So I can dial it in exactly where I need to be. You do that by locking in this knob that grabs onto this rod, and then this knob will allow it to travel in and out. So I think I'm pretty close to set here. Just going to dial that in again and start cutting. Okay, so it sped up the process to put this on the miter saw and just chop across to speed up my tenon making. So I'm going to do a test cut and see how it fits my work pieces. My tops. This is a leg. Let me grab my hearing protection. See how this works. Yep, gotta plug it in. Classic flipping idiot. Let's do this. So I needed to increase the amount of cut, reduce the amount of tenon, and so I think I'm at where I need to be now. So as you can see, that is pretty quick. So once you're set up, it's just send them through, send them through, send them through, and then just a quick crank away from the blade to tighten it up or loosen it. So super fast.